Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can install Google Meet in your desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to our Google Chrome browser and we have to come over this option Google Apps, and here you will find the Meet icon over here. Just click on it. After that, you entered in Google Meet. Here you can see. And now here you will get an option install Google Meet. Just click on it. Click install. And this is how you able to install Google Meet in your desktop. Would you like to pin Google Meet in your taskbar? Uh, yes or no thanks. It depends on you. You want that into your taskbar or not, but you will find it in your desktop icon. Here you can see. So I will leave it as no thanks. So this is how you can install Google Meet in your desktop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.